Some customers have the problem of the wire connection before or maybe after the installation. Now, this is a cooling heating split air conditioner with two cables. This is the indoor unit. This line is the control cable. This line is the power cable, supplies power. On this control cable, there are 5 lines. These 4 lines has a number on the head. Another one, this one is the ground line. Now on the outdoor unit, on the outdoor unit, this is the electric board. This is the buckle. This is the terminals. We need to connect the cables to the terminals on the electric board. Now, on the electric board, there are 4 terminals with a number 1, 2, 3, 4. And same on the control cables, except the ground line, the another 4 cables also have a number. This is 3. This is 4. This is 2. This is 1. For connection, we just connect the line 1 to the terminal 1 and line 2 to the terminal 2. Also, line 3 to the terminal 3, line 4 to the terminal 4. And a ground line, we connected it on the electric board with a nut. All those 5 lines should pass through this knuckle to keep it stable. After we finish the connection, we cover them with a plastic cover, and then here with a nut to avoid the waters, the rains, and the dust. Okay, that is the wire connection.